What is up, everybody? This is a 360 video view of the campsite that we'll be having. Right now the season's closed, but I reserved these spots for April 12th to the 14th. So if you want to camp out with me, let's do it. I'm gonna be doing a 360 video and I'll be doing a directional video. So if you wanna see the full thing and be in control as the director, watch the 360 video. If you wanna be just led and directed, go ahead and watch the other one. I'll have both. But this is the parking spaces. There's 5 parking spaces. So guys, understand that might be an issue. Actually 6 if you count the handicap sign in the space. But there's plenty of room for motorcycles. Now I can have a total of 40 people here at this campsite. You're able to have 8 people per campsite. And I booked all 5 campsites. But we get our own secluded area. We get our own secluded driveway over there. It's gonna be pretty badass, pretty cool. But there's plenty of different spots up here. Now, we got, right here we have bear trash cans, bear box trash cans, so bears can't get into it. They're bear proof, that's what I'm trying to say. And this is typical of the campsites. There's 5 campsites here. There's one up there. There's one here, one up there, and one right there, I believe. This is where I camped when I did my camping series. I camped right here on campsite number 3. And it was really nice. And so we got right here, we got a nice little fire pit with a barbecue type thing. So with a grate, so we're able, ooh, there's a tent peg, I'll keep that. So we'll definitely have some fun just hanging around the campfire. And we got a bear proof box. We also have a barbecue. And then we also have a concrete bench. But there's plenty of room. So there's plenty of room for tents. Definitely plenty of room for 8 people per spot, and there's trees. So if you wanted to do hammock camping, you got hammock camping. There's plenty of trees, plenty of good green trees. But it's gonna get cold. I need you guys to understand that it's gonna get pretty cold up here. So campsite number 2 is up there, so it's pretty secluded. Let's go to that one, and then you guys can assume what these campsites really look like. I like number 3 just because it's ease of access. I'll probably be grabbing, I will be grabbing number 3. That'll be the center of all the campsites. That way when we relax and chill and have fun later on in the night, we could all just hang out at campsite number 3. But we already got 25 people signed up. 25 people signed up, and it's pretty badass. I like it. Whew. It's higher elevation. And I'm hiking up in boots. So this is campsite number 2. And you get the same amenities. You still get, the barbecue, you get a fire pit, table, bear box. A little bit less room, mostly rock, but then there's a little spot where you can actually put your tent right here. So there might be more, instead of like 8 people per site. I have a feeling a lot of people are gonna be staying with me on site 3. But there's definitely room up here, guys. Whew, I'm out of breath. Beautiful views behind me. Beautiful views behind me. Beautiful views around me. Let's make sure I'm actually recording this. That would suck. Okay, good. So we're gonna walk down here, and these have bathrooms. So the amenities are trash cans, bear-proof trash cans, bear-proof box to keep all your stuff in, a concrete picnic table. Each campsite has a fire pit. Each campsite has barbecues. There's plenty of room. Look at all this room right here. There's a ton of room right here for us just to hang out and chill. There is water. I'm 99% sure this is potable water. I'll double check. But something to wash your hands, drink some water. Hopefully it's drinkable. We'll see. If not, we'll bring more beer. But you can easily wash your hands, wash dishes, and all that stuff right there. One restroom, 40 of us. It's gonna be a little fun. And it's just a typical, basically a porta potty, but with a door that locks. Awesome. Some privacy. But us men, we can just go pee in the woods. So that'll be fun. So this is campsite number 4, 5, 1. Same thing, get plenty of room. You can pretty much go off anywhere you want. Enough room for stuff. You can oversee the bikes. People can camp anywhere, really. But the thing I want to do is I want to ride up here with you guys. If we get enough people that might not want to ride or coming from out of town and don't want to rent a vehicle, here's the thing. I want to rent a van and pick you guys up, and we'll do it. We'll come up here, okay? I don't need to ride. I'd like to ride, but I'd rather you guys get here safely, because if you're coming from out of town, I don't want you trying to come up a canyon on a random bike, or have to figure out how to get a bike or whatever, rental car. So if you're coming from out of town, maybe we can figure something out to where I can just rent the van, and I'll come up whenever you get here. We'll plan that stuff out on the Discord. I'm going to create a Discord channel specifically for those that sign up, or like a separate section of my channel for those that sign up for this, so we can come up with the updates and everything. And I'll put your name in an email list. But this is where we'll be hanging out. We'll be parked all of our bikes over here. There's a campsite right up there. Park all our bikes over here. If we are parking vehicles, one vehicle is free with the registration of the campsite. So I'm able to park 5 vehicles here for free. As part of the sign-up process, you agree that it's $9 per night per vehicle. So if I can carpool enough with people, it'd be great, because then we can use up these 6 spots, because the handicap spot, we can if we have this whole thing, we can use it up. And we can maybe fit another vehicle there. But for the most part, we can fit a ton of bikes here. A ton of bikes. If we get enough people, we can go crazy on it, okay? But let's be a little safe about it. This is a small little parking area, and we're gonna try to figure out the best way to get it done. But we have all of that to ourselves. We have all of that to ourselves, and I'm excited for that. I cannot wait to go camping with you guys. I mean, since we have this whole thing to ourselves, people can hammock camp right here. They can hammock camp up in here, up over there. But we should have plenty of room. And like I said, if you can't get in, there's 15 more slots. 25 slots are already paid for and reserved. You just need to sign up, and then $45 will get you 2 nights of camping, and you'll get your $40 back. I'm thinking about coming up with special challenge coins for those that make it here. So maybe if you would like to, we could do that, but I'll do pre-orders and I'll figure all that stuff. But I am going to be making a t-shirt, and I'll be making a magnet specific for those that come here, and you'll be getting those. The t-shirt, I mean, you'll probably have to buy off of Amazon, but the magnet, you guys can have it. I'll do something. I want to do something, but this is beautiful. There's a lake that's down there. It's a nice little walk. I plan on hiking during the day. I plan on walking during the day. You guys can go ride. You can go up and down the mountain as much as you want during the day. You can do whatever you want. There's up on the top, it's a little town called Summerhaven, and that town has a general store that has a bunch of supplies, has beer, has water, has food, has all this stuff. There's multiple restaurants up top. They have extra camping gear just in case. So guys, you'll be fine if you didn't bring something. If you've got something, let one of us know. Maybe we can all make a ride up top or drive up top and go there. But the plan is right now is to get people to sign up, get here, and we're gonna come up with events and things to do. But for the most part, I want you guys to relax, and I want you guys to explore the mountain all you want. There's a bunch of fire roads. There's a bunch of different roads up here. I think it's like 25 miles of road up and down the mountain. So if you wanna have fun, but do not get pulled over. Do not get pulled over, that would suck. My reception up here, I use Sprint, and I don't have any reception right now, so be aware of that. I believe Verizon is pretty good over here. What else? What else would you guys like to know? If you guys have any questions, please write in the comments. Join the Discord and let me know. I would like to figure out what we want to do. We got a bunch of people coming here. We got Moto Jitsu. We got Greg from Moto Jitsu coming out here. He's going to be camping with us. So guys, we're going to have some motovloggers here. This is like almost like a motovlogger meetup, but it's mainly for the DDFM crew. This is the DDFM crew meetup. This is the first annual. I want to make this a multi-annual thing. I'd like to do it every year. And this is gonna be a lot of fun, guys. I'm gonna have a ton of fun. You're gonna have a ton of fun. We're gonna do whatever we want during the day. I'm gonna go hike, you come with me. Let's go hike around the lake. At night, we're gonna sit around the campfire, sit around here, just kind of chit chat and talking. It's gonna be cold, so bring your cold gear. And we're gonna do that. It's gonna be a blast, guys. We're gonna come up with a bunch of different things to do. Just options if you wanna participate or not, that's cool. But the main part is for you to come up here, relax, decompress, share some time with some of the DDFM crew, and feel good. So just come. This is a vacation. Come up here, have a vacation with us, okay? But we'll figure out the parking situation. That's the only thing that I'm worried about is parking because of all the bikes and maybe multiple cars. But like I said, we got 5 vehicles up here. So, I mean, 6 slots. I mean, 6 parking spots up here that we could use. But I'm gonna be heading back. I'm on Nikki's Rebel. I'm gonna be heading down the hill and go home and edit all this. But like I said, if you wanna see the 360 full camera so you have control and kind of get a look of where you wanna maybe go, if I can't figure it out and like point you in that direction, go ahead and check out the 360 camera. If you're watching the 360 camera and you want me to show you kind of like what I'm trying to point at and direct the camera where it's just like a normal video, then go ahead and get that video. Both those videos will be in the description, depending on what video you're watching now. But I cannot wait, guys. This is gonna be a lot of fun. I rode all the way up here so I can show you guys the campsite. This is happening. I already reserved it. It's paid for. We got 25 people out of 40 people signed up, paid for already. There's 15 slots, guys, 15 more slots. And I couldn't have done this without the DDFM crew, and I couldn't have done this without the guys on Patreon, all the guys and girls on Patreon. Thank you so much. It only takes $1 a month for me to be able to do something like this, put up the money up front. If it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't be able to budget for things like this, and things are happening. Things are absolutely happening, and I cannot wait to travel the country and do stuff like this with you guys around the country, but we're doing this here in Tucson, Arizona, all right? All right, guys, I'll be seeing you later. Hope you guys ride safe, be safe. Do not get pulled over. I got pulled over on the way up here. Don't tell anyone, okay? I'll see you guys. I didn't get a ticket. I'll see you guys later, all right?